Hey y'all, it's hairbyash. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some knotless braids. The first thing that I do is, of course, I open the pack of hair. I use pre-stretched hair. I'm using some Style Factor, edge control, and I'm also going to be using my carbon parting comb, which is honestly like the best comb ever. But there's the hair, some ombre hair, and first I'm going to get starting with my parting. I like to put edge control on the back part of where their edges are so that it can really slick it down to make sure that all the hair gets in when I start braiding, because with knotless braids you really have to make sure that they're neat and that no other hair is slipping out. So I like to make sure I use a good amount of edge control on the client whenever I apply before I start the knotless braid. I want to make sure everything is slicked down, so I make sure I get to do that. And I also put edge control in between the part so it can look slick and more neat. So when I do the back part of the client's head, I normally use 3 pieces, and as I braid I just feed them in, as you can see, and I just start braiding. So now I'm finally on the 3rd braid. So as you can see, I'm just feeding the hair in very gently, making sure everything is nice and neat as I continue to complete this style. Y'all, I don't even mind the margin, but why does it look like I'm a pot belly? Y'all, I promise I don't look like that in person. Like, I really don't. Like, okay, so I ended up finding some better lighting, as you can see, and I was really excited about the lighting because it really looked awesome and it made the braids look amazing. But as you can see on my palm, I have some edge control that is there. I like to use edge control because as I continue to braid, I like to add edge control in so it can make the braids sleek. You won't be able to tell like where your hair is and all that stuff, because I really hate when I see like braids and then, especially when they're freshly done and you can just tell where the hair stops at. Your natural hair stops at, and it's like fuzzy and stuff. So I love to use edge control or gel or something that can really slick the hair down so that it can blend in with the braiding hair. So it's just one of my favorite things to do. So I'm continuing to part and get the top part off done. She wanted a middle part, so I just wanted to make sure I got at least one side done, and then I was able to I don't know what I was doing. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. Okay, anyways, I always like to make sure I do at least more than half of the head done before I start to part the top part, you know, to really make sure everything's evened out and that I can part correctly. But I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna stop talking, so I'll be back in a second. Okay, y'all, so this is what I have so far. I still have a little bit left to go, but I just wanted to give you guys a video of just what I have so far, like progress-wise. But y'all, I gotta say, it looks good. Amazing. Okay, y'all, so here's another clip that I gave y'all of just my progress and everything, y'all. And y'all just tell me if y'all can find any knots, because wow. But anyways, here I am. I'm just braiding her hair up because she wanted crinkles, just a really nice cute crinkle effect. And so I just braided her hair down, and in a second I'm going to be dipping her hair, well, dipping the braids, of course, so that it can really give that nice cute effect, to give it some volume, you know, and just make it unique. So as you can see, I'm just gently dipping her hair. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm on the last braid, you know, taking out the crinkles, and it looks amazing. I got some mousse, and I'm now applying some mousse to give it some shine. I also put some more mousse on the top part of where the part is at, and also on her edges. And I like to use a toothbrush to reapply and to also be able to slick down the edges even more. Mousse really does slick down your edges. Like, it's really great. So I'm doing that, and I'm pretty much done, you guys. So I have some clips coming in soon, as you can see right now. Y'all, they really turned out really nice, and the crinkle effect is amazing. So you guys just like and subscribe, and some more content will be soon. But this is my first video, so please like and share. Bye, guys.